Hello everyone, my name is Dami and I am making this video to publicly apologize to my followers, my friends and everyone that has been affected by the altercation I had earlier in the house with my fellow housemates. I want to take a moment to sincerely apologize for my behavior because I believe and I know now that it was completely out of line, and I regret my words, my actions, and I take full responsibility for everything that I said or that I did, and I am really sorry. And I want to use this medium to publicly apologize and personally apologize to Wanni, Onyeka, Osi, and Ozi, and Suj. I am so sorry, and I am really sorry for my words, for my actions. It was very, very unnecessary, and please, I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me, because I shouldn't have done that. I should have handled it in a better way. And I promise you, I'm committed to learning from this, and also I'm going to grow as much as I can on how to handle situations going forward. Please forgive me, and I also hope that we can move past this and see how we can move past this and amend the whole thing. I know it's not going to be as easy, but please try to forgive me, and please give me the grace to make amends. I am really sorry. Emotions were high, but still this doesn't excuse my behavior, and I am human, and I'm going to strive to do better. And please, I want you guys to please try and understand me while I go through this process of growth and learning. I am so sorry, and I deeply regret, and I take responsibility for my actions and words. I am sorry.